How to submit a suggestions for the new Awaken180 app. First, navigate to the home page in your app. Tap on your name initial located in the upper left corner. Once you are on the settings page, tap on the Make a Suggestion button. It's under Help Center. You may need to scroll down to find it. You will then be redirected to Typeform. Follow the instructions on the succeeding pages until you successfully submit the form. Click the Start button located at the bottom of the page. You will be directed to a page where you can type your suggestions in the space provided. Tap the OK button to proceed. Tap on the Submit button located at the bottom. A confirmation message will appear after submitting your suggestion. If you have questions and inquiry about this topic, contact us at 413-307-3758 or email us at support@awaken180weightloss.com. Thank you.